Business logic historically suggests that clearing out office desks signals a failing company or a broader economic recession. This chart tracking the tech sector from 2022 to 2026 breaks that rule. As the line for corporate profit margins climbs to record highs, the bar graph for workforce layoffs spikes right alongside it, while maintaining an incredibly strong financial position. This data visualization identifies where that excess cash is going. Over the last decade, companies allocated 94% of their profits to stock buybacks and dividends, rather than employee compensation. These corporations are sitting on mountains of cash and record profitability. So why are they suddenly firing tens of thousands of people? Executives are treating these layoffs as a calculated strategy for capital reallocation. This shift is driven by social contagion. When one tech giant downsizes, competing boards begin to question why their own executives aren't doing the same, triggering a herd mentality across the sector. This collective movement provides cover for leadership to hide bad management decisions, including pandemic-era overhiring or failed mergers. Investors reward these cuts. This line chart maps abnormal stock returns against corporate layoff announcements, showing a surge in the stock price the moment the workforce reduction is made public. Because executive compensation is frequently tied to company stock performance, these layoffs generate personal profit for the C-suite. Layoffs have evolved into a standard financial instrument used to manufacture shareholder value. This newly liquid capital fuels the race for artificial intelligence dominance. Building the infrastructure for AI requires staggering investments, billions of dollars for specialized NVIDIA chips and massive, power-hungry data centers. To fund these costs without sacrificing profit margins, companies are transferring funds from human payroll directly into AI infrastructure. This constitutes AI washing the balance sheet. Investors see the company's total valuation remain steady, but human liabilities have been replaced by high-value hardware assets. Tech conglomerates like Microsoft use large-scale acquisitions and restructuring to manage this capital shift. In 2024, the company cut staff from newly acquired divisions, even as its overall gaming revenue remains strong. Employee salaries are being liquidated to pay for a robotic infrastructure. Reallocating capital through mass firings carries a risk of public relations blowback and significant severance costs. To manage this, firms are increasingly adopting algorithmic management, using software to automate the direction and evaluation of the workforce. These systems track employee micrometrics, from keystrokes to active hours. By processing vast amounts of data, the algorithm makes decisions without human involvement or intuition. This constant surveillance allows the system to automatically flag non-performing employees and generate rigorous performance improvement plans. These automated plans can force attrition, leading employees to quit or fail the system's criteria, which reduces the need for traditional layoff procedures. Because the software handles the evaluation, the process creates an accountability gap, making it difficult for workers to hold any specific manager responsible for their dismissal. The technology sector is undergoing a structural mutation. Middle management and traditional software engineering roles are seeing sustained reductions. This split-screen chart contrasts those losses with the skyrocketing demand for positions in data automation, cybersecurity, and AI infrastructure. It is a global labor shift. Roles that are not automated are being moved to offshore hubs where labor costs are lower. In the current market, corporate growth and profit take priority over workforce stability. Thriving in this environment depends on commanding AI systems rather than falling under their management.
Please like and subscribe.